And here we have a Massey Ferguson 390 1212 shuttle on the feeder wagon. And here we have the EBL mixer wagon, Cars Billington machine, Massey Ferguson 390 K420 SSJ. There's a number on there. So there seems to be quite a lot of these Massey Fergusons still around, some of the older type. Just some of the machines that's in the yard. It's a Kuhn beddar wagon feeder thing for silage. Most of our bedding with straw, I would imagine. A little digger. And sprayer. All sorts of everything here. Dump trailer. Just a bit of pity I didn't get to see the harvester there. And here we have a machine for lifting powder beet. I have filmed it in the past, a few years ago. I'm not sure if I've still got powder beet or not, but certainly still have the machine here. It's quite a machine. I've been inside the cabin there. Never got to go out driving, but not to worry, maybe someday. Some machine there.